Hello everyone, this is my Toyota Sienna and today I'm going to show you the position of OBD connector or onboard diagnostic connector on the Sienna. I had earlier made a onboard diagnostic connector location for my Corolla, and this is where the location of the onboard diagnostic in Corolla is, but I was expecting it similar place for my onboard diagnostic in my Sienna as well, but this is not where it is on the Sienna. If I look here, I'm sorry for the noise because my home is right next to the main road, and there are traffic coming and going down, creating a noise. But if I look at the Sienna, you have the gas this thing, and then the next to it we have a hood of this thing, and to actually get to the connector, onboard diagnostic connector, I'm going it slowly so you can see it. And right here you see this white connector on the right. That's what the onboard diagnostic connector is. On the left hand side, white is a fuse thing, and this is where you can hook up any onboard diagnostic connector and you can use a meter. You can find on eBay or Amazon some cheaper onboard diagnostic Bluetooth based devices, and you can get an app for that, and then you can find out what the code is for any kind of engine or anything, any failure like this. And once again I'm bringing it back to you to show it to you once again. Just look at it under it, and right somewhere here, that's where the white this onboard diagnostic connector is. I'm hoping this is going to help you. If you leave a comment and you need for any other car, I can find it out and explain to it about it. Thanks for taking a look.